If anyone said putting an LED display on a protective charging case of a pair of truly wireless earbuds was the way, you might think, hey, it's crazy, or maybe it doesn't make sense. Well, actually, JBL seems to think otherwise with their innovative smart charging case on their Tour Pro 2 earbuds. The JBL Tour Pro 2 earbuds definitely go against the grain of what you usually see when it comes to true wireless, and from the jump, it really comes down to the innovative smart charging case with a 1.45-inch LED touch display. My first thought was, yo, I haven't really seen anything like this, so I reckon if I haven't, then you most likely haven't too, especially compared to the competition. And it legit had me thinking, hang on a minute, this low-key makes sense. And why haven't more people done this? Like, check it. These are JBL's high-end true wireless earbuds with Bluetooth 5.3 LE audio support, a customizable sound experience with Personify 2.0, and also 10mm dynamic drivers tuned by legendary JBL Pro sound. JBL's take on the Tour Pro 2 is really all about having the smartest truly wireless earbuds experience with high-fidelity audio wirelessly on the go or at home, the ability to connect to any Bluetooth source device, and true adaptive noise cancelling with customizable ANC and ambient sound. So then, why the smart charging case with the display? The simple answer is easy access, simplified navigation, and customization without instantly needing to use your phone and the JBL headphones app. Let's look at the things the smart display allows you to do. You can touch the display to activate it, or use the button at the base of the case next to the USB-C port to turn on the display and also off the display. Once on, use the on-screen slide method to unlock the display. This is definitely a good way to avoid accidental touches. From there, at the top, you have a battery indicator for both earbuds and charging case, time, and Bluetooth connection indicator. These show up on every page. First up is the play controls, then volume controls, followed by the ambient sound controls for ANC, ambient aware, and talk through. Next is the EQ selection, a timer selection from 5 to 60 minutes, spatial audio, 3 brightness level adjustments for the display, the ability to change your lock screen image, and voice aware with levels at low, mid, and high. You also have the ability to enable auto pause and play, notification with message preview, the Find My Earbuds feature, which allows you to beam a loud sound from each earbud individually, and a flashlight function. Yeah, I know, I went through that very quickly, but that should tell you that JBL did not come to play when it came to the feature sets, control, and access they want you to have on the Tour Pro 2, and I'm here for it. My top favorite features from the display has got to be the play controls, the volume controls, the flashlight, funny enough, and Find My Earbuds, because I can't tell you how many times I've misplaced my earbuds with the struggle of finding them. So thank you, JBL, for adding this feature. Smart charging case out the way, what's the listening experience like with the Tour Pro 2? And to no surprise, it's great. I mean, excellent sound is what JBL is known for, with excellent bass, trebles, vocals, solid highs, mid, and low end. This is really down to the top tier 10mm high fidelity drivers, the comfortable fit with the super soft oval tube design, and JBL's immersive spatial audio with movie, music, and game options for spatial audio. With me, once I'm in a groove of music, I like to stay locked in with minimal distractions and the best sound possible, whether exercising, traveling, or just on a casual listening break. What helps with that is active noise cancelling, and specifically with JBL's adaptive noise cancelling tech, it automatically adjusts to your surroundings in real time, cutting off distractions and maximizing audio quality, which again, I'm here for. You may think that's it, but hold on a moment, because another area of the experience where the Tour Pro 2 is stacked and hits well is the JBL headphones app. It's like this: take everything that is on the smart display of the case, bring it to the app, and turn it up to 11 with even more controls, backed with a clean and smooth interface to work with. And the app is where you can set your own custom EQ to suit your listening experience. Use the Personify 2.0 feature to really personalize your sound using a hearing test and setting up a custom hearing profile. The ability to preserve your spatial sound settings, change the gestures of the controls of each earbud, the Silent Now feature that helps create a silent bubble by disconnecting the Bluetooth and turning on ANC, which, come to think of it, with how often I travel, this might be the most underrated feature on the Tour Pro 2. Amongst other features in the app, like changing your smart case settings with your own personal wallpaper, the duration of the screensaver, power saving, and having access to firmware updates for the latest and best listening experience on the Tour Pro 2, I'm honestly not sure what else JBL could have added with the Tour Pro 2. Maybe the kitchen sink, but for now, I'll take all that is here for sure. But you know what's really the best feature here on the Tour Pro 2? The battery life, because with a listening time of up to 10 plus hours and up to 40 hours, including the charging case, you're almost not having to worry about the battery at all. I'm all for standing out and doing things differently, especially when it makes sense. This is the case with my experience with the JBL Tour Pro 2. They do exactly that and make absolute sense. Check the link in the description below for where you can get your pair of the Tour Pro 2 from JBL with full information. And thank you to JBL for partnering and sponsoring this video.